So I will grant the motion with the waiver of speedy trial. And Ms. Hurdle, do you have a motion at this time?
Yes, Your Honor. At this time, I am making a motion to withdraw
Okay.
as counsel.
And Ms. Andrews, you understand what's happening here? Okay, so Mr. McLymont is going to stay on as your counsel. Ms. Hurdle is going to withdraw as your counsel. And due to that fact, there's no way they could be ready, Mr. McLymont could be ready for trial on Monday, as this case is currently scheduled. Okay, so then he has entered a waiver of speedy trial on your behalf. So I do want to get a new trial date on the calendar because I know the attorneys for the state are very busy. This court's busy. So Mr. McLymont, do you have your calendar handy? Okay. So I can tell you all, I don't have any availability currently until August. So let's start with the state, and it would probably be August 18th, August 25th, somewhere around there. Let's say the 18th.
Judge, I'd be fine if we started on the 18th because I have another homicide trial on September 8th.
Okay.
So as long as, yes, if we started on the 18th and had 2 weeks, I think that would be fine.
That's also fine with Mrs. Mar and myself. Right?
Okay. And Mr. McLymont, how are you looking then? Okay. And actually, because we're going to need, how many jurors did we say we're going to need?
70.
70. Oh, we're fine. Then we can keep it on the 18th. All right. So then we will go ahead and reset this case for trial beginning Monday, August 18th at 9 a.m. And I'll set aside 2 weeks. It's not going to take a full 2 weeks, but in abundance of caution, I'll set it aside. But I'm thinking it'll be more like a week and a day or a week and a 2 days max. So we have a status with the other defendants, I think, let me look here, March 31st at 10 a.m. So we will set Ms. Andrews for status as well. And for that hearing, Mr. McLymont, if you would like to appear via Zoom, you can. You just know the drill. You got to let me know ahead of time. And then if for some reason that status, if an evidentiary matter has to be heard on that date and time, then obviously you'd have to make the trip up from Miami if it involved your client. But if not, if you're just appearing just for a status